Hey guys, today we got a cab high aluminum contractor cap, the Pro Series by Unicover. Fits the 15 to 20 Ford F-150 with the 6.5 foot bed. It's in pretty decent shape. Doesn't have much damage on it. A couple small dirt spots there. And the top's in pretty good shape. Top and the top edge looks good. Has a minor dent there in the top, but really looks pretty good. The bottom and the bottom edge look good on through here, not all tore up. Let's have a little bit of corrosion around the handle there, which is kind of common on these. Door's not all dented up on this side. It's all nice and smooth. Door opens up, accesses a toolbox that has shelving in it. Divider there in the center. Also, it's skinned on the inside, which is why the door's not dented up, because it keeps the stuff from denting the outside. Door shuts and locks. Secures everything back in there again. Picture window in the front. There's the serial number. Kind of a odd place they put the serial number, but there it is. Front looks good. No major dents in the front. I kind of see some dents on the roof line from here. Just kind of dings and dents from working out of it. But really good shape, all things considered. Does have the security screen, as you can see in the window, so that way if the window breaks out, you can't get in, or mostly that something doesn't go through the glass. Paint on this side looks really good. Top on the top edge on this side looks good. Just some minor dirt stains and little fly potties because it's white and it seems to be the color they choose. It does have a minor scratch right there and a little bit of a scuff mark down there. Really, that's about it. Stainless steel T-handle on this side as well. No dents in the door, because I'm sure it's skinned like the other one is. Yep. Toolbox, opens up the toolbox with the shelf and the dividers. Single T-handle locking rear door. Let's have a little bit of corrosion there starting on the door. Dirt mark there. Got a little bit of corrosion on the window there from aluminum, because it's aluminum, probably from salt, because it's up north. Right around the back door, or the brake light, I mean. And then we have a little bit of dang flies. Corrosion around the palm handle as well. And it looks like the door skirt was cracked and they stitched it back together. Seems to work fine. The fly didn't go very far. There he goes. Inside the toolboxes, aluminum, just bare aluminum inside. Nothing exciting there. Does have the security screen on this side as well. On this window, I mean. There you go. Maybe it's easier to see it there. So there it is. Cab high aluminum Pro Series top by Unicover. It's a 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150 with a 6.5 foot bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements, pick it up online. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, you can just go to our website and search up that stuff there. If you're looking for something specific for your truck and you're waiting for a cap to come in to fit your truck or a certain color or what have you, you can, we upload to YouTube and our website as soon as we get inventory in. So you want to subscribe below to keep up to date on what's coming in. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.